Hi guys, it's Erin from Siren Heart Soap, and I'm back to do another soap today. I'm going to be using the Capri Olivo from Nature's Garden. It's one of their spa fragrances, and oh my goodness, this smells fabulous. I haven't decided what I'm going to call this soap yet. I'm leaning towards the Salt in the Sea, but if you can think of a better name for it, let me know in the comments section. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. I'm gonna be coloring this. The main color is gonna be Blue Tide. And then for accent colors, I'm gonna use titanium dioxide for the white, Tahitian teal for the teal color, and Twilight for the dark blue color, all from Mad Micas. And then I think I'm gonna put a little bit of the Sparkle Plenty on top, also from Mad Micas, just as like a drizzle. And maybe I also pulled this gold bio glitter to maybe sprinkle on top, depending on how it looks. I haven't quite decided yet. Sometimes I just kind of wing it, and today is definitely a winging it sort of day. So let's go ahead and add the live waters into our oils. There we go. Okay, there we go. That's all I want, is just kind of like a light emulsification, because I'm gonna throw a hanger swirl through this one, I think, and I want to give myself a lot of time to work with it to make sure I'm getting my colors right and everything. So I'm just gonna split off a tiny bit for the accent colors. The white, the teal, and the dark blue. Then I'm gonna go ahead and add my fragrance. First, I want to make sure that the main color is going to be the shade of blue that I want. I love how potent these colors are from Mad Micas. Holy cow, that is like just so beautiful. I think I might lighten it up just a touch with the titanium dioxide. I want it to be almost pastel, sort of. Then I'll add some white into this one as well, because those ones I am gonna have to put the stick blender through. There we go. There we go, those look good. Oh man, I love how this blue looks. Just fabulous. And then some of the dark blue and some of the teal. Let's see how those look. Oh yes, those are just beautiful. I think I might add just a touch more white to this. I just want to make sure that it's a nice light color. I'm definitely going to have to use this color again very soon. Oh my goodness, that just looks so beautiful. Oh, glorious. Okay. Now that these colors are all set and ready to go, let's pull out the mold. Oh my goodness, this fragrance oil, you guys, I wish you could smell it in person. It just smells so good. Let me jiggle things around a little bit so you can see really well. There we go. I'm gonna start out with my base color. I want to get a good amount poured in. There we go. And then I'm going to try to more delicately just kind of cover it just a tad. There we go. I just love all these colors, and I think it really goes with this fragrance really well. Just lots of blues and greens. This fragrance really does just kind of remind me of the sea, and it's got that fresh water, fresh air sort of smell going for it, as well as some like a little bit of greenery. Like there's just something about it. It's just absolutely fabulous. Okay. Just want to clean up just a touch. Go. There we go, just adding the last bits of the color to the top. Yeah, my tops, I never really feel like I have to be perfect, because once you swirl everything in, it'll look nice anyway. You know, in a lot of things I have a perfectionist sort of tendencies, but I try to let that go with the soap. Just kind of let it be what it is, what it's meant to be, what it's meant to look like. Okay. Okay, and then I definitely think that this soap deserves the glitter oil swirl on top, just to give it a little extra personality. I always love how that looks in the finished product. Okay. Now it's time to swirl away. Oh yeah, those colors look just so beautiful together, all swirled. There we go. Now, does it or does it not need the extra glitter? You know what? Let's just go ahead and go for it. Why not? Everything could use a little bit of extra sparkle. And this is just such a fabulous fragrance. Yeah, this is 100% biodegradable glitter. Ooh. There we go. Oh, just gorgeous. Oh, I love that. Sometimes glitter just makes it better. There we go. All set and ready to go. I'm gonna go ahead and put this on my curing rack, and I'll see you guys for the cut. Bye. Okay, we're back for the cut. I just love how this top looks. As you can see, some of the biodegradable glitter did biodegrade already, just leaving some of the color, but some of it stayed, so definitely nice to have that glitter that you know is not bad for the environment. All right, and the first cut. All right, let's see what it looks like inside. Oh, that is so pretty. I love this one. And like even the top I feel like looks like waves. All right. Oh, that is just so pretty. Oh, I love this bar. Oh, just look at that light blue turned out exactly like I wanted, and I love the dark blue, the white, the teal. It all just works so beautifully together. It really just complements each other so well. And this fragrance, oh my goodness, it just smells so good and so fresh. Oh, I love it. Look at that. Oh, these swirls, you guys, these swirls, I love them. You know, I really love a nice hanger swirl. I think hanger swirls are my absolute favorite thing to do. Oh, just so pretty. Yeah, the fragrance just really reminds me of like a beach vacation. It's just so lovely. Oh, so pretty. Right, and then the final cut. Last little one. Oh, just so pretty. I love it. I absolutely love this one. There we go. And it's going to be a nice little sample. All right. There we go. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you like and subscribe. Thanks. See you later.